What's up everybody, Brad at Proformance Unlimited. Today on the dyno we have a 347. Just got done making some nice power here on the dyno. This is just a 425 model. Just got done making just around 430. This one has an Edelbrock 750 carb, MSD Pro Build distributor, and the block was painted red. Got the 4 racing valve covers on here. Looks good, sounds good, performs good. If you want that for your ride, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940.
That is so nice. Beautiful oil pressure. AFRs are right where I want them. What a gorgeous motor. Nice, very nice.